I am Camilla Tartaglia and I'm a PhD student at the Politecnico di Milano. I have a bachelor degree in chemistry and a master's degree in conservation science for cultural heritage. And since November 2019, I have been doing this PhD in preservation of the architectural heritage at the Department of Architecture and Urban Studies of Polimi. My research is related to the topic of territorial fragilities, and the way I aim to approach this topic is a little bit peculiar. So, to introduce it, I would like to show this plant. This is a sprout of Rubia tinctorum, commonly called madder, and it's a dye plant. That is, a plant that yields coloring substances. In the specific case of madder, a gorgeous red color can be extracted from its roots. But what does a dye plant have to do with territorial fragilities? Well, colors extracted from plants have always played a relevant role in dyeing all throughout history, especially in the field of dyeing textiles. And they started to disappear only when synthetic colors appeared during Industrial Revolution. In addition to this, they have always been a high value-added crop, and as a matter of fact, they were cultivated in those areas in the past where food-targeted crops would prove not profitable. So, dye plants such as this madder have nowadays a potential as alternative and historically relevant agricultural systems. My research aims at studying how the reintroduction of these crops can become a resource and a cultural tool to support territorial enhancement. My intention is to conduct historical investigations and scientific analysis in order to build up a background of knowledge and expertise about dye plants. And this historical and scientific knowledge could be supportive of local development strategies and therefore help to reduce territorial fragilities. And I also intend to study the reintroduction potentialities of these crops, considering aspects such as their value in the framework of cultural landscapes and their niche uses in traditional construction techniques. So, this was a brief summary of my research. Of course, if you would like to have more details, you can contact me and I would gladly discuss it further.